The waiting game: why tracking your Social Security card matters. A Social Security card is your key to getting a job, opening a bank account, and accessing crucial government services. It's a vital piece of identification that opens many doors in your personal and professional life. But what happens after you apply? Waiting can be tough, especially when you're eager to start your financial life. The uncertainty can be stressful, and the anticipation can feel overwhelming. Tracking your Social Security card application is essential. It provides peace of mind and keeps you informed about the status of your application. It empowers you with knowledge and helps you stay on top of the process. By knowing each step, you can plan better and avoid unnecessary stress. Knowing where your application stands can prevent potential delays. It ensures that you can take timely action if any issues arise. This guide will walk you through the ins and outs of checking your Social Security card application status. We'll cover everything you need to know to stay updated. Let's dive in and make this process as painless and efficient as possible. With the right information, you can navigate this journey smoothly and confidently. Online Status Check, your digital detective tool. This tool is designed to make your life easier by providing real-time updates on your application status. The internet has revolutionized how we manage our lives, and that includes tracking important documents. No more waiting on hold or sifting through piles of paperwork. The SSA offers a user-friendly online tool to check your application status. This tool is accessible anytime, anywhere, making it incredibly convenient. Visit the official SSA website and look for the application status section. It's prominently displayed for easy access. Click on the link and you'll be directed to a secure portal. This ensures that your personal information remains protected. Provide your Social Security number, full name, date of birth, and application submission date. Make sure all the information is accurate to avoid any delays. Hit the submit button and within seconds, you'll see the current status of your application. The system is designed to be fast and efficient. It's that simple. The online tool provides a clear overview of where your application stands. Stay informed and in control with just a few clicks. Phone a friend, reaching out to the Social Security Administration. When you need assistance or have questions about your Social Security benefits, reaching out can make all the difference. Sometimes a phone call can provide additional clarity and peace of mind. Speaking directly to a representative can help resolve any confusion you might have. The SSA has a dedicated customer service line ready to assist you. Their trained representatives are there to help with any inquiries you may have. Locate the SSA's toll-free number on their website or your application materials. This number is your direct line to getting the help you need. Call early in the morning or later in the afternoon for shorter wait times. These times are typically less busy, allowing you to get through more quickly. Once connected, explain that you'd like to check the status of your application. Be clear and concise to ensure the representative understands your request. Provide your Social Security number, full name, date of birth, and application submission date. Having this information ready will speed up the process. The representative will access your file and provide you with an update. They can also answer any additional questions you might have about your application or benefits. Snail Mail Trail. Navigating paper applications. Paper applications might seem like a relic, but they're still used. Opt for a trackable mailing service like certified mail or delivery confirmation. Keep the tracking number safe and easily accessible. Track your mail online through the Postal Service's website or by calling their customer service line. This will give you a general idea of when your application was delivered to the SSA. If you experience significant delays, reach out to the SSA directly. By utilizing tracking options and staying organized, you can navigate the process with confidence. Time is of the essence. Understanding processing timeframes. Understanding the expected processing timeframes can help manage expectations. The SSA strives to process applications efficiently, but several factors can influence the time. On average, it takes approximately 2 to 3 weeks to process a Social Security card application. Delays can occur, especially during peak seasons or if additional verification is required. Allow a few extra days for mailing and processing. If you're nearing the 4-week mark without updates, reach out to the SSA. Staying informed about potential delays can save you time and frustration. Safeguarding your identity. Tips for a secure application process. Protecting your personal information is paramount. Always use official SSA channels when applying or checking your card status. Ensure you're using a secure internet connection when submitting your application online. Avoid using public Wi-Fi networks for sensitive transactions. If mailing your application, consider hand-delivering it or using a secure mailbox. Be cautious of phishing scams. The SSA will never request your social security number via email or phone. By following these tips, you can navigate the application process with confidence, knowing your personal information is protected.